Hey everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, and if you do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also check me out on IG, elevation_mentor. How is everyone today? So we're going to talk about the daily financial news and what's going on. As you know, what has the media right now is the wildfires going on in California. What I found to be interesting is that lawsuits are beginning to surface. They are suing a company called Southern California Edison, which is a utility company, and they are blaming that utility company as one of the places that allegedly started the fire. They claim that they actually could see the fire underneath the cell tower, right? So they claim that they actually saw where it started from. Lawsuit against Southern California Edison. So on the other end, they are denying it. But I find it to be real interesting. Lawsuits are brewing, and the fact that there are lawsuits in previous history um, where they claim that the fire started from the utility companies. To be specific, the name of the company is called Pacific Gas and Electric. They actually filed bankruptcy in 2019 after it was linked to wildfires in Los Angeles. So in this case, there's no allegedly. They found that it was linked to the wildfires in Los Angeles, and the company went bankrupt in 2019. So I think that is interesting. The other case over in Hawaii, a company by the name of Hawaiian Electric, they settled for $4 billion for their role in the 2023 Lahaina fire. So I think that is interesting that they are actually being found linked to these wildfires, not allegedly. So as far as the history goes, the Hawaiian Electric utility company, they settled for $4 billion, and then Pacific Gas and Electric filed bankruptcy in 2019. So those were the prior cases. Found an actual link to it. I remember them, as far as Hawaii goes, I remember them showing some alleged causes of lasers. Now, I'm aware of the lasers, and in case you're not, I'm going to link something at the bottom, and when you get a few minutes, check it out, right? Okay. So, however, the current wildfires that are going on, this is allegedly a lawsuit, allegedly against Southern California Edison Utility Company as allegedly being the cause of one of the wildfires. So I think it's interesting. Why would anyone do something like this on purpose? Now, other people are just saying that this is conspiracy, but these actual lawsuits that went down in history, there was no conspiracy to those. 2019, there's no allegedly. They actually found the company linked to it. 2019, and then 2023 in Hawaii, they actually found a company linked to it. So why would this be done on purpose? Now, you may believe it's purposefully, or you may believe it's just a conspiracy, or you may not care. But I just think it's interesting that they have businesses that are like filing bankruptcy and doing $4 billion settlements, things like that. All right. So that's what the wildfires that has the media attention right now. Also, there's also some news that with these wildfires, there will be people out there trying to take advantage There's con artists everywhere. And what they plan to do is seek out desperate people who have had their homes burned to the ground and offer them money, and afterwards sell it to developers. So that is coming down in the pipelines. And I'm curious to know, why can't they just get the money from their insurance company? So when you get insurance for your home, if your home burns down to the ground, the insurance company is going to give you the money for the value of the home. So what are their insurance companies doing? Are they denying all the claims now? If you're over in California and you are actually going through this and you would like to share, feel free to email me. I'd like to know what the insurance companies are doing out there. All right. So that is the wildfires. California has the media attention right now. And I am going to link um, the lasers because I want you to know about them. So when you get a few minutes, just check out the link that I have pinned below. All right. They are called directed energy weapons, and the public doesn't know about it, but it's a weapon, just like you would use a gun. Everybody knows what a gun is, right? So I want you to know what directed energy weapons are. All right. The link will be below. So that's the wildfires. All right. Um, Mag 7, Magnificent 7. What is going on in the stock market? Magnificent 7. So just to recap, Magnificent 7. What is it? So you got Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Apple, Alphabet, Nvidia, Tesla. These are named the Mag 7 or the Magnificent 7. So I saw something in the news about Nvidia is going down a little bit because of some new policies in effect. Um, the markets, let's see. S&P is up 0.24%. Dow is up 0.12%. NASDAQ is up 0.41%. Russell 2000 is up 0.36%. Oil is down 0.48%. Gold is up 0.25%. All right. So you got your traders, you got people trading in and out of the market. So it is not a bull market at all. However, I kind of think that that's going to change with the shift in the administration, because the new administration, all they care about is the stock market. I'm not going to say all they care about, but just watch them sometimes and notice how many times you see that language. All right. So I got a feeling that we're getting ready to go into a bull market, and it's going to be exciting for people who know how to trade, right? Then you got your long-term investors, and this is what you definitely want to be doing. Long-term investing. You're investing whether the market is good, whether the market is bad, whether the market is red, whether the market is green. Just dollar cost averaging, right? Should have been doing that 30 years ago, right? But when you know better, you do better. Long-term investing. And then trading, mm, that's kind of up to you if you want to learn that. Generally, people that are learning it in the beginning phases, they're losing money because they don't know what they're doing. And then the people that know what they're doing are making a lot of money. So trading, you can take that or leave it. Long-term investing, definitely, definitely want to be doing that without a shadow of a doubt. As far as trading goes, I am learning to trade. Of course, I'm not going to just throw my whole mortgage in there, but just a little bit, just a little bit. And I made $37 today. That was exciting. to make $37 doing nothing. That might not seem like a big deal to you, but to me, I thought it was pretty exciting to make $37 and do nothing. 'Cause there are people out here who are slaving for $37. People out here slaving for $37. For some people, that is um, 2 or 3 hours of hard labor intensive work. So making $37 doing nothing was exciting to me. Now, people who really, really know how to trade, they're making $1,000 a day. And that's what they're doing, right? So if you're interested, um, check it out. If not, you don't have to. It's really up to you. With the long term investing, you definitely want to be doing that. All right, without a shadow of a doubt. So that is the stock market. Let's see. What are the Feds doing? The Fed's doing well. Rate cuts. There are people on the sidelines waiting to buy homes because I don't know what you're waiting for. The rates are too high. Yeah, that the rates are too high, right? So, 2025, we're expecting 0 to 1 cut in 2025, and you possibly could see the rates go up. So that is to be determined. We will see what happens as far as the rates. All right. If you're interested in buying property, um, it's a good idea to just go ahead and get started now and don't be waiting around. Like, even if you're not going to take the full plunge of actually buying, um, it takes time. So you could be using the time now, whether that be getting your credit together or whether that be just getting out there and looking to see what it is that you want to buy. All right. It takes time. All right. So do me a favor. If you like the channel, I need for you to hit this like button that supports the channel, and YouTube will send it out into the YouTube world. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget, if you have a few minutes, check out the video that I'm going to link below. All right. I want you to know what directed energy weapons are. All right. Let's see. Before you leave, I need you to do me a favor and hit that like button. If you made it this far in the video, comment the word real estate. All right. That helps me out when they see interaction on the channel, right? I'm just not just out here talking to myself. So when they see interaction, they say, "Oh, well, maybe somebody is interested in watching the channel." So am I watching it? Are you watching the channel, or am I talking to myself? All right. So on your way out, hit that like button for me. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Check out this link that I'm going to have below. So, well, it's not a short video, but you'll get the gist of it. Let's see, in about 2 minutes, you'll get a gist of it. And men, check out the hat collection, um, and just check out what I have for you. All right. Thank you for watching, everyone. On your way out, don't forget, hit that like button. All right. I'll see you next time.